What's up, everyone? I'm going to show you Songbird. Songbird is an awesome alternative to iTunes. If you're frustrated with iTunes, this is a program for you. Now you're asking, what's so special about Songbird? Well, the graphic interface is a lot better than iTunes, and it's just, as you can see through the scrolling on the screen right up here, they've got a bunch of different things, and it's you can add applications, and they can go along with your music, so you can see live videos, music, all this stuff on the screen as you're viewing through your music. It's just something new and interesting, a lot better than iTunes. They have a lot of apps. It's very customizable. You can do themes, apps, and much more. And you're asking, can you sync your iPod with it? And that's a yeah. You can. And you can also get the application that goes on your iPod Touch and iPhone with Songbird on it, which is really neat. So, well, let's get started. I'll show you how to do it. You can see, if you want to learn a little more about it, just go to getsongbird.com. Just type that in up here on the top. But we're just going to go ahead and download it. It's available for Mac and PC, and I'm going to download it with PC. Or you can download it directly from the website, or you can use Nanite, which I had a tutorial video. And the last thing, Nanite is a great little alternative to downloading programs individually, because it'll install everything individually instead of all in a group instead of doing it individually. Sorry. Just click Songbird, and when you're done selecting it, just click Get Installer and click Save, and there you go. You got your installer. Just open it, run it. And what you're saying, what is Nanite? I have a tutorial video. I'll give you a link up here. It works with your computer, eliminating the steps of having to go through each little part and say, yes, I agree to this. No, I don't want a toolbar. It skips all that. What it does is it allows you to download multiple files at the same time and install multiple files. So if you have a brand new computer, this is a great alternative to it. You can download all your applications, and then it'll install it. So you can have a big list of applications, go get a cup of coffee, watch the news, and then come back and everything's downloaded on your computer and installed. So we're going to use Nanite to download this instead of using Songbird. It's a cool little thing. We'll continue looking at Songbird while that's downloaded. You can do everything in iTunes. Everything in iTunes you can do in Songbird, so it's not like you're missing anything. You can manage it, explore it. They have gadgets. Gadgets work with it. Like you can see here, tells you all the phones that work with it. Music players. You can customize it. And they have a lot. They got appearance, playback, web browsers. Yeah, you can get a web browser while you're working on it. Bunch of stuff. I can see a bunch of stuff. Content. And tools. It's pretty neat. And if you got a problem or something, they've got a blog too that helps you do stuff. They've got an RSS feed and a bunch of blogs about it. So gives you a little alternative to iTunes. I think it's downloaded. Let's see if it is. Yeah, it's finished. So we're going to close that, minimize, and it should be, yep, Songbird. We're going to click this up, and we're going to allow it to open. As you've seen with Nanite, I didn't have to install anything. I didn't have to go through any of those installation process steps. It's fast. I'm glad I found that. I wish I would have found that as soon as I switched my operating system, which is like a day or two ago. And if you got iTunes, you can just import all your tracks, and then you can delete iTunes later if you want to. And then I'd go ahead and just check all this. Check all that and just continue. And then it says help make Songbird better, and you want to send and I'll just put my email in so I can keep up with the news, and then just go to finish, and it'll do its thing. You'll load all the applications, the primary applications, and then import my music. So it's a great little tool and comes in handy, and I'll show you the interface whenever it loads up. It's not on Linux. If you're a Linux user, it's not on Linux yet. So you can probably find a way. If not, you can use Wine. Wine's a great alternative if you're using Linux and you're wanting it on your computer. I have a lot of songs, so if this does it pretty fast, it's pretty amazing. I have like 800 songs, I think. So, and it has a tutorial here. It's pretty cool. It's like a central for concerts and everything about your artist. To learn all about your artist, everything you'd want to know, you can do here, and then you can just go to your music tab, and it has everything you have on your computer. So I'm gonna type in Wonderwall. Yeah, by Oasis. It's my favorite song right now. Plays good. You can see concerts, find concerts. You can see what concerts are going on. Of course, man.
By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that
Shinedown was an awesome concert. You need to go to their concert. It's good, it's good. I really want to go to ZZ Top. So now you know. It's just really cool. So if you got any questions, just send me an email. I'll do a tutorial video for Songbird next for it, because it looks like I'm going to be deleting iTunes off my computer and using Songbird from now on. So if you got a question, comment, or if you want to rate it, go ahead and do that. And I'll see you guys a little later.